Hello guys, welcome to another video of English and Tech, and today we are going to discuss about how to troubleshoot the problem with the BOYA mic. BOYA-M1 mic is one of the favorite of all the YouTubers like you and me. So for me, I'm facing a problem like the BOYA when I use my BOYA mic, it is not giving me the perfect sound quality. So mainly it is because the battery inside this unit is weak. So today I'm going to show you how do we change the battery inside this unit so that your mic work better. Okay, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe and enable the bell icon. So for the BOYA mic, we need the battery LR44 model battery. So when you're trying to buy battery, you have to look for either A76 or in the backside somewhere it will be written LR44. This is the battery size supported by the BOYA mic. Okay, so when you have the battery in hand, what you have to do is like you need to open this unit. So for open this unit is very easy. You can just rotate it and open it. So I'm just rotating this one and I open it. You can see here in the video. And when I open it, you can see there is a small battery inside this, right? So there is a ribbon also. So when you pull this ribbon out, so the battery comes out. This is a battery. So the battery comes by default with the BOYA mic is not so good quality. So sometimes it will be finished within a week if you're continuously using this BOYA mic. BOYA mic is one of the best microphone, best cheap microphone, which always all the YouTubers loves, right? Okay, so now we have to take out the battery from here. So I'm going to take out the battery. So I opened it already just to see the battery, whether it is matching with the size or not. So let me just compare this with the older battery. That's the same size, LR44, right? So now what you have to do is like you have to put the battery case. So when you are putting the battery inside the case, what you have to think or what you have to be careful is like make sure that the ribbon is inside. So the next time when you change the battery, it's easy for you to take out the battery by pulling the ribbon out. So it's simple. So I inserted the battery inside and I put the ribbon like this and I will put it back to bottom. Make sure that you roll it properly, otherwise it will be stick inside your mic and it will be hard for you to take it out. So my ribbon is slightly tilted, that's why the problem. So now I will roll it and tighten it. Okay, so now if I connect this mic to my video, it will give me the perfect quality audio. So if you're facing any kind of sound problem with the BOYA mic, the first thing you have to do is to change the battery of the BOYA mic like I did now. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you all understand how do you change the battery of the BOYA mic. Thank you for watching. See you again with another video. Bye bye.